Vice Chairman and CEO of the company at Neuland Labs, is now with us. So if I just look at the numbers, can you just tell us what happened in terms of margins? Gross margins have expanded. Is this because the raw material prices went down?
Yes, I mean, from an overall sales perspective, we actually grew by about 25% year on year. However, we did see a little bit pressure on margins because of the volatility in supply from China, leading to some short supply of raw materials as well as price escalations. But notwithstanding that, we did make some strategic decisions to take on new business, even though it came at lower margins, keeping the long-term interests of the organization in mind, because we're pretty confident that the margins will bounce back to historical levels, but at the same time, we shouldn't shy away from, taking some new business.
Can you just talk about the new launches, the capacity that you have built? Has it started to come into numbers, or from Q1 it should be more visible?
I think it will happen incrementally. As you know, we acquired a new facility recently. Currently, we're in the process of transferring products. Several validations have gone successfully, though we have not launched any commercial manufacturing from that facility. But we will see products being commercially launched from that facility well through FY20 and more in FY21.
When I talk about the CMS segment, it's witnessed a decline on account of volatility in orders. Do you think that will continue?
The volatility will continue, but the growth, we will definitely see an increase in growth. For example, in FY20, based on our expectations, majority of the orders we either have visibility or they actually are confirmed in FY20 itself. So we expect that strong growth to continue for the CMS segment. Though, as you said, we will see a quarter-to-quarter volatility in the numbers.
When I'll speak to any investor of the company, he or she would tell me that the main trigger for the company is US sales. Salmeterol market is gaining traction, and that's a big opportunity. Can you just tell our viewers what's the current market share over there? How big an opportunity is that?
Well, it's difficult because, as you probably know, Salmeterol is a complex launch. It has multiple formulations, multiple devices, multiple markets with different patent expiries happening. So it'll be hard for us to predict what the market share will be. I think the only thing we can comment on is that we're very strongly positioned for the generic or the 505(b)(2) space for Salmeterol. We have a good product, good quality of product, both for chemical as well as physical parameters, and we expect this to be a strong API for us.
Right, sir. Thank you so much for taking out time for us, and congratulations on a good set of numbers as well as the outlook that you shared with our viewers.